Hey guys, it's me Kelly and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing a day in my life as a high school senior quarantined edition. That's my dog sleeping in my bed. Right now is 11:50 a.m. and I just woke up and I'm brushing my teeth. Now I'm doing a face mask. I've been doing face masks like every other day because I have so much time now. It's 12 p.m. and I'm signing into my classes. I just have to type present for 3 of my classes for the day. Here's my dog. She was scratching the door, so I let her in. She always crawls into this pillow thing, basically asking me to lift her up and put her on my desk. So I'm doing that with one hand. It's kind of hard to record, but she loves just being on my desk. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Now I'm doing my homework. This is my engineering homework. I just did a few of those questions and time to wash off my face mask. Now it's time for lunch. There's a rainbow on this egg. Look at that. That's so weird. I made 4 eggs, 2 for my dad, 1 for me, 1 for my sister. For lunch I have rice, egg, soy sauce, sesame seed oil, seaweed. I changed into some leggings to walk my dog. Here's my sister writing hi with chalk because she found some broken pieces on the ground. Stop barking. Why are you running? My dog was running for no reason, and look, my sister's like all the way back there. Now we're back home and she's just so tired from running that much. I was watching a lot of TikToks and just on my phone in general, but now it's 3:20 p.m. and I'm doing physics homework. I guessed on most of these questions, but I got most of them right. I went back on my phone, watched a few TikToks, and now it's 5 p.m. But here I'm just editing an Instagram picture. This is my makeup look. I posted it on Kelly Chaw Beauty, my makeup Instagram account. So I'm just like enhancing the colors in the picture using Facetune. And this is like how I edit all my pictures. Now I'm building this robot thing. I got it in the mail from Rutgers. It was really cool, so I just decided to punch out all the little guys and build it. You get it if you're like in the engineering major, I think. Here it is working. It's so cute. Now it's 6:20 and I'm doing my homework for like an hour, and then I'm practicing my violin. I haven't practiced in a long time, but tomorrow we have a Zoom call for my orchestra. Are you kidding me? A Zoom call. So here I am just practicing my violin. For dinner, we ordered Uber Eats from Korea. Now it's 8 o'clock and we're making bubble tea. So I just put some brown sugar into the tapioca pearls, making it all sweet. Fill it up with some tea and then with some soy milk because my sister's lactose intolerant. And give it a nice shake, 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 shake like the TikTok. Topping it off with the boba. At first it wasn't sweet enough, but we just added more brown sugar and it was pretty good. We bought these metal bubble tea straws on Amazon and they're so cute. Here's me just like sucking up the boba balls like one at a time because I was like bored. After this, I just did some more homework, went on my phone a lot, and now it's 1 a.m. Just filled in one of these pixel things. And now I was looking at all the videos I need to edit. This one video I filmed in June, but I still didn't edit it. And now I'm brushing my teeth. It's 1:30 a.m. This is my nighttime routine. Just put some stuff in my face. Now I'm using this jade roller on my face. I don't really know what's good about it, but I just use it because it looks cool. Now I have this rose quartz, I forgot what it's called, but I'm sliding that over my face too. And now I'm jumping in bed. So it's time to sleep. Bye, like, comment, subscribe.